Welcome back to another video. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. MeiaSoQuick with the uploads. Intro's over. Subscribe before you go.
Welcome back, everybody. It's MeiaSoQuick, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own buttercream icing, okay? It's super simple and easy, and I hope you guys learned something from this, okay? Well, let's jump right on into the ingredients that you'll need.
First, you're going to need 2 sticks or 1 cup of room temperature unsalted butter. You'll also need 1 pound of powdered sugar. That's about 4 cups. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then 1 to 4 tablespoons of heavy cream and a pinch of salt. And those are actually all the ingredients that you're going to need. So in your mixing bowl, you're going to want to use the paddle attachment, not the whisk. And you're going to go ahead and start off by putting in your butter into the mixing bowl, but don't forget to remove the wrapper. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and whisk that for several minutes, okay? I usually start off fast and then I'm going to go ahead and speed it up. But as I said, you are going to scrape this for several minutes, so you can go ahead and just go do something else while we're whipping this up, okay? But thanks to fast forwarding, you can see what it looks like after a couple minutes. So after a couple minutes, I come back and I'm gonna go ahead and scrape down the sides of my bowl just to make sure I'm not missing anything, okay? And then once I've got all of my sides scraped down, I'm gonna continue to whip this up some more. And after letting that go for a couple more minutes, I am going to then add in a pinch of salt. So you guys can see here, I'm just doing, this is really just a taste, so you might add more or less depending on the flavor that you're looking for. And then I'm going to add 2/3 of the sugar that I have. So about 3 cups at this point, and I'm going to pour that directly in, and then I'm going to mix this on low. Once I have everything incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and add in our vanilla extract and the rest of the powdered sugar. And then once again, I'm going to then scrape down the sides of the bowl so that everything is getting reached by my paddle attachment. And then I'm going to mix it once again on low. All right, as you can see, very easy. Now at this point, you can start adding in your heavy cream, 1 tablespoon at a time as needed, okay? So you might have to stop, taste it, and find out if you need to add in more cream or not, as well as to just get a smoother texture. But that is pretty much all the steps. So go ahead and taste it, and if you need any more salt or vanilla extract or heavy cream, you would just go ahead and add it. But that is how you make some homemade buttercream. That will go a long way. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you learned something. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.